Aweh Millionaire. It's me, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to trade gold in Forex like a smart trader using this simple strategy that I use to enter this gold trade, which I'm in right now. As you can see, I've bought gold. I'm comfortably in about 100 or so pips in profit, so that you can use this strategy applied into your trading and to start trading like a smart trader and follow the smart money. Let's get into it.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
Right, so as you can see, I've got the gold chart opened up already, and this strategy that I'm using, that I used to enter this gold trade, again is about identifying interest levels in the market, key interest levels in the market, and key levels in the market where the banks are looking at, and for you to trade with the banks and follow the banks when they give you the clues in the market. So I'm on the 4-hour time frame, but the key levels that I'm looking at today, when I took this trade yesterday, is the support and resistance levels. Okay, the horizontal support and resistance levels, which you identify and you draw on the daily time frame. Okay, you identify, you draw these levels on the daily time frame. I'm not going to get into how to draw horizontal lines, support and resistance. I mean, this is support and resistance 101. But the key thing which I want to talk about in this video is how you use support and resistance properly. Okay, how you use support and resistance like a smart trader to help you to follow exactly where the smart money is going. So when we look at this trade over here, okay, we draw the support and resistance levels on the daily time frame, and then we go to the 4-hour time frame, which is the kill zone when we're trading horizontal support and resistance. So let's have a look at how this setup played out and how easy this trade was. So we had price come and approach this resistance level. As you can see, price came to the resistance level to come and test the resistance level, and as we can see, what happened is it broke through resistance. Okay, and not only did it break through resistance, it broke through resistance with perfection. And when I say perfection, you know what I mean. I'm talking about Forex volume. So price broke through this resistance level with high volume, and this is the key confirmation. This is the key indicator for you to understand the price action that is happening on the chart. And again, volume is that key indicator that validates the price action, because a lot of guys that trade support and resistance, okay, they miss this key fact. They simply just look for price to bounce or break or retest and all that nonsense, okay, without actually understanding if the move is a real move. Okay, and sometimes, most of the time, people that trade support and resistance get caught in fake moves. So how you validate the price action, how you validate the move in a trade, especially with support and resistance, is you use the volume to help you to validate the price action, and that's exactly what volume does. Now, if you want to learn about volume and how volume works, I've done a beginner Forex volume guide. Click the link in the top right hand side to study how you can use Forex volume to help you to better your trading in this game. So that's exactly what happened. The market came, broke through the resistance level with high volume. Okay, when there's high volume, we know that the banks are participating in this move. This is a key indicator, and of course this was the confirmation of entry. So price broke through the level with high volume, and again, once price breaks through the level with volume, and once price breaks through a level, you want again to see the buys continuing to push the price up before you can step into the market, and that's exactly what happened. Price came down a bit and started to push back up, okay, with increasing volume, which is exactly what you want. You want the volume to validate the price action, and that was the indicator to get in on the buy. And when we buy, what I did here for my order was I put my entry on the most recent fractal high, and I've explained again how to enter trades like many times. Put the entry price on the most recent fractal high. Now the stop loss I didn't put on the most recent fractal low because I wanted to be outside of that support and resistance level. So resistance broken, now becoming support, but I wanted to keep my stop loss safe, so put my stop loss on this swing low or fractal low, however you want to call it, to secure my trade and to keep my position safe. And as you can see there, when price moves with the support of volume, you can see it started to push up and is pushing back up with extremely high volume and with ease. Okay, and I've got my other resistance level that I'm looking at, that I'm anticipating for price to go and test next. But again, traders already in profit, and it's a simple support and resistance trade with the support of volume, which is the key thing to trading support and resistance like a smart trader. So there you go, support and resistance 101. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe and hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next smart trader analysis. I'm out. Aweh, Millionaire. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment and subscribe and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.